What is good, guys? Today I didn't want to start off and bore you with a travel montage, so we are kind of already here at our destination. We're about a 1-minute walk from the HKS Technical Factory here in Saitama, Tokyo, Japan. Now, I have never been here before. I haven't even looked up any videos online of any other YouTubers or any other influencers, whatever, visiting the place and checking it out. So I'm actually really excited. Oka-chan's showed me some pictures of like their dyno in the back there. They kind of have a very special relationship, and he gets to dyno his cars there from time to time. So he showed me some inside pictures and stuff, and that got me really excited. And of course, I mean, like HKS parts, who doesn't love them? I am kind of going with the intention of trying to get a sequential blow-off valve today as well, maybe. We'll see. But enough chit chat, let's get in there and take a look around. Well, I think we're in the right spot, guys. Oh boy, this 32 GTR is like crazy dreams. Running my favorite brand of wheels too, Advan Racing. Oh, okay, I'm frothing at the mouth a little bit. I have already ducked inside and just checked with the owner and made sure that he's okay with me filming around the workshop and everything, and he said totally okay. So we'll go and check all that out in a little bit. But there's a really cool R35 GTR up there on the hoist, which is yellow, which is kind of unique, I guess. What are these, S660s? That looks nice, running endless brakes. That's pretty cool. Once again, Advan Racing wheels. But anyways, enough looking at the cars out front. Actually, you know what? Let's have another quick look at this thing, because this is nice. I think I'm just a huge fan of the wheel combo. White wheels on a Bayside blue GTR really look nice. You can tell it gets driven a lot too, because it's not like totally super clean. Everything interior wise looks good too. Whole bunch of bolt-ons with HKS stuff and whatnot. Very cool. Okay, let's go inside now. I want to check out some of the memorabilia in here because it looks really cool. That's super cool. Old school pre-staging lights. So you can obviously get all of the HKS oils, additives, coolants and things like that are here. Man, I just want to steal all these signs that have like the HKS logo stuff on it and the pattern. And then moving over here, titanium exhaust looks epic. Look at that. Very cool. And they're into the RC stuff too. I really need to get into that later when I got some more disposable income. Carbon fiber pieces and stuff that you can get for a range of different vehicles. Very cool. These R35 intake manifold. That actually looks super cool. I'm a big fan of that. Is that what that is? I don't see any labels anywhere, but I'm assuming that that's going to be for like an R35 GTR. And camshafts and stuff there too. And RV26 VCAN system and step 1 engine build kit, it seems. So that's what the label says there, so it's pretty cool. And then camshaft kits there. Old F-Con stuff. I'm not going to say anything bad about them while we're here. Their twin plate clutches look so aggressive and very heavy duty. That's cool. Sick. What is this thing? So you got Yamaha written on it, so it's obviously a Toyota motor. I'm not sure actually what motor that is. Should do some research. Some cool magazines, booklets, these like catalogs. It's cool. Man, there's so much cool memorabilia here. This is like one of the main reasons why I wanted to come to HKS, just because of all this stuff. Yo! Shout out in the comments if you guys know what anime that's from. Oh, sorry, manga that's from. Some cool turbo wheels there. R35 GTR factory engine covers. Like coilover kits and exhaust kits and stuff here. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna try. Oh yeah. They have to be 35 intake manifolds that are the ones we saw there, because that matches up with the same there. Other cool stuff down here. All right, let's try to move through all of this as quickly as we can, because we want to look at the workshop and stuff, right? All the stickers. That's kind of cool. Old compressor housings there. Super cool. Moving over here, looks like they've got some more suspension and exhaust stuff. Man, this titanium stuff is really nice. The welding on that is amazing. There's an RV26 here that's not for sale. Well, it could be for sale actually. No, it's not for sale. but it's a, what number is that? It was made in 2009 and it's a Nismo fine spec. It doesn't say whether it's like the R or whatever, but it's not for sale and it says don't touch, so not going to touch that. But Nismo fine spec engine, I'm going to research what kind of internals that has in it later, but that's pretty cool. Just see that sitting there. And they've got the HKS bike, race bike. This is cool. This livery is just, I mean, it's infamous, it's famous, right? Everyone knows this livery, but it's just so cool to see it like a bike with this as well. It's pretty cool. I'm a bike guy as well, but definitely prefer to be encaged in something. Like I used to have a 650 Gixxer in Australia, so this is still kind of cool to me, but I did come off my bike once on the mountains, so kind of got a little bit scared after that. Nismo LMGT wheels. Yo, they've got the RG2s. I'm an RGD guy, so the older versions, but the RG2s still do it for me, so love those wheels. Complete carbon fiber hood. The attention to detail on this carbon fiber hood is nuts. Super reflective too, due to the clear coat. I thought this was cool. HKS green tea. We might have to get some of this later. I think that's pretty cool. And then obviously I'm gonna have to get a shirt or something for sure, because I mean, I can't come here and not get a shirt or a hat. We definitely got to get something. They've got towels and everything. That's pretty cool. And HKS turbo kit. Hey, this thing's pretty baller. I love that they just wrap it in like cling wrap. It's not a bad idea. And I guess that's a super old GoPro Hero 1, like the very first one they ever made. That's kind of cool. Wait, is this old GoPro stock? Shut up, it is. Like Hero 2s? What? Surely they didn't pay for that and that was just like sent out to them. Wait, so hang on a minute. I just noticed something. Are they selling these? HKS drift packages, RC cars? I'll ask them later how much those are. That's cool. Recaro seats, they're for the GDR. And just all this memorabilia here with all the little model cars and stuff. You can't get these anymore. They're really cool. Look at the old DR30 race car there. Hopefully, it's just cool. Yo, endless candy? Okay, endless breaks candy. This is cool. R32 HKS GTR RC car. Very cool. Bunch of old magazines and stuff like that. Endless brake stand. These are the brakes that we're going to be putting on my S15 too, by the way, guys. It's pretty sick. And there's some hefty brakes. Very nice. Okay, I'm kind of drooling now, so yeah, man, there's just so much cool memorabilia here. Like the original Midnight manga. Do you guys remember this? They've got it all. All the option magazines and stuff. Keep asking you guys, do you guys know what anime that's from? Yo, Calsonic RC Drift R32 car. There's a lot of cool memorabilia in this place. Okay, I'm gonna have a conversation and see if we can get a tour out there. Okay, so it's all good for me to film like at the workshop and stuff, but today we can't go up top because there's some top secret stuff happening up there, and he said we can't film up there today. But this is their dyno room, so their dyno pack. They do all-wheel drive dyno here, all the GTRs and all the cars that they tune and stuff like that. Obviously, HKS FCon and stuff happened here, so this is where they do all the dyno tuning for that, for their customers' work as well as their workshop cars. It looks like in the workshop that they've got R34 GTR in, some Nismo fenders there. Oh man, that's so cool. R35 GTR up there, nice yellow one. Got a Subaru SDI here, the new model. I actually really dig these new ones. I think they look really nice, especially that wheel combo looks sick. Big fan of white wheels. I just hate how dirty they get really quickly. Damn, yeah, this freaking 35 is super cool. Running some nice big Advan racing wheels again. Starting to see a trend here with all like my favorite tuners and stuff here in Japan. They all seem to have Advan racing wheels. This thing is sick. Yo, it looks like the mechanic is working on an RB26 head there, and it looks like the block is behind him there too. So assembling an engine or something by the looks of it. Looks like he's checking tolerances on lifters. That's what it looks like he's got there right now. Tolerance checker. It's pretty cool. And then yeah, the RB26 block behind him on the engine stand. But this 35 GTR, I'm loving that wing. Check out this this hoist. I've never seen anything where it's just like hydraulic cylinders that come straight out of the game, like the ground like that. That's kind of weird, but still kind of cool, unique. Got a 32 GTR here, running some Volk racing wheels. Damn, this thing is like super clean. The dash is amazing, very clean. Man, this thing's done like nothing. Oh, okay, it's only done 60,000 kilometers. It looks it. It looks it. There's like no wear anywhere on the interior, on the handbrake or shifter or steering wheel. Far out, that's clean. Very low mileage. New SDI, getting an exhaust kit by the looks of it. It's kind of cool. Very cool. What is that thing? What is that TV screen there with the really big... I have no idea what that is. Side slip. What is that thing? Does anyone know what this thing is? It looks really retro, cool, and old. Anyways, so, oh, there's a couple 26 motors just stacked in there too. Pretty cool. So yeah, we can't go up to the 3rd floor and look at the car park today. But still, nonetheless, the workshop's still pretty cool. And then another S660. Is that what they are? S660? Yeah, they are. There you go. That's pretty cool. And moving over here, the other 660 and the GTR, which is pretty awesome. So that's kind of all they can show me today. The owner's actually really nice, and he knows me through Oka-chan's blog, so he had actually seen pictures of me and knew who I was. It also helped that I was wearing the Yoshimura factory shirt, and he was like, oh my god, I know you. You're the guy that doesn't eat all your rice. For a while, when me and Oka-chan used to get dinner, I wasn't used to like the Japanese portions of rice and stuff, and like I'd always leave a little bit of my rice left over. It's a big no-no in Japan to do that, Japanese culture-wise and stuff. So he would always joke about it on his blog and be like, oh, this foreigner, he never eats his rice. So whenever I bump into people like at Tomei Powered or HKS and stuff, they always know me as the foreigner, the baka gaijin, this silly crazy foreigner that doesn't eat his rice and has a Skyline and is one of Oka-chan's students. So that was kind of cool. Anyways, so we're gonna come back at another time. Actually, I had a really good chat to him, and we're gonna organize to go to the factory near Fuji, Mount Fuji, because he said he wants to give me a full tour of that, and we're gonna film a cool video of that, which will be super cool because a lot of cool stuff happens there. That's like the actual factory line where a lot of the products, everything's pretty much made. So that's gonna be super sick. But for now, kind of finishing up here, and I'm actually gonna go to Yoshimura factory because it's in Saitama, right where this is. And I'm gonna go get a whole bunch of shirts that you guys ordered. So let's do that. And boom, just like that, we're at Yoshimura factory. And this is pretty exciting. This is Oka-chan's new loader, and the other one he still has. But this thing's all nice and freshly painted as well, in his pink color. New tire rack and the rental cars on there. Let's go see what he's up to. All right, guys, you have been killing the shirts order. I had to bring my big IKEA bag so I can get all this home with me on public transport. There's like 30 shirts in there, so keep up the good work. Workshop's closed for the day and everything's all parked in, but I'm really enjoying this 180 because look at the front of this thing. S13, SIL 80. God, I love it when people mix things up like that. It's cool. And there's a Skyline in the workshop, 32. Good times. Oka-chan's taking the car out, training some people tomorrow, teaching them. And that about wraps it up. We're just gonna chill and probably go get dinner. But keep up with the shirts orders. Here's something I wanted to show you. This is what I call the SR Walk of Shame. This is, every motor here has blown for a different reason, all different cars, different customers and stuff that have all had different issues. And let's go through here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what's left of 6. And this has all happened this year, I think, so far. Oh man, it's crazy. Anyways, we're gonna, ooh, yeah, I'm a big fan of the S14 booties. Hey, we need to get one. So I just got home and it is 2 a.m. in the morning. The last clip you saw was at 7:30 p.m. and that was the SR Walk of Shame. And then after that, Oka-chan was like, hey, do you want to go to dinner with me and my family? And that's what happened. So went and had dinner, and we had such a good time just chatting and stuff. And the next thing I know, it's 11 p.m. and I had to jump on the train as quickly as I could so I didn't miss it. And then 2-hour train ride home. So yeah, here we are. So I'm gonna edit this video now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Nice little look into HKS, and then a little bit of fun at Yashio Factory at the end there. Also, I had a really good talk to Oka-chan because HKS and Nismo and Bride or Bridor are all his official sponsors for like lifetime. He's gonna actually organize for me to get exclusive tours for filming for the videos and stuff at those places, things that have not been shown before, like at Nismo or Mori Factory, like back rooms and stuff that people never get to see. So he's going to get special permission for me to film that, as well as at the HKS Factory near Fuji Mountain, and as well at the Bride seat factory. That's going to be super cool. I'm really pumped about those actually. So he's going to organize that. We're going to work out dates and stuff. But some other good news is I should be getting my license back next week. That's pretty exciting. Anyways, I don't really know what else to say. Links are in the description. Support me, check it out, and I'll catch you on the next one. Also, everyone, leave me a comment. Tell me what you thought. I'm a mess. I need to edit, and I'm extremely wrecked already. And I keep talking. Longest outro ever. Hashtag bring Underglow back. Peace out, guys.